Chris. Dennis. Put it back. Put it back. No, get up there.
Oh no, he's fussing cookie.
I don't care if it's smushed. You still get to eat it after you count it. No, count it. Count it. You can eat it.
Oh no.
Oh no.
That's Mommy.
I didn't. You did it. You want to count them and then you can eat it.
We smashed one. Now we can't eat that one, but we can eat these ones.
What do you mean?
But we can't eat that one.
Why?
But I broke it down.
You smashed it. You can eat it.
Like this.
Yeah, you did it on purpose. Oh, now you're smashing it more. See, that's why you did it, so you wouldn't even have to count it. Here. Count them. Count them. 1. 1. Ah! Let go. Fine. Alright, fine. Look, here, lesson's not over. Christopher, come here. Lesson's not over. Come here. You want a cookie? Taking his hand and smashing it into the fridge so that the fridge is all dirty with cookie hands. I live with Dennis every single day. Come on. Okay, just come and count. And you can eat the last cookie. Chris. Look. Oh, this one looks delicious. Christopher, you don't know how good this one looks. It's ooey and gooey and it's got lots of chips in it. Chris. Dennis? Great, I wonder what he's doing now. Oh, man! What are you doing? Wiping your hands on my pillow now or something? Christopher! Christopher? You want this last cookie? All you have to do is count. To 1. It's the easiest counting ever. Christopher, honest, come here. Hurry up. It looks so good.